Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's what? I don't know. I'm gonna go to the movies and go see Saw. So let's create a quick look. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet.
Okay, so let's jump in. I haven't used this palette in a minute. It's the Sunset Horizons palette from, what is this? Sunset Horizons from Beauty Bay. So let us go in and jump. I'm gonna use this shade called Thunder. It's like a navy blue shade. And I'm gonna put it right here. Ooh, that is pretty dark. This is one of those shades where you have to trust the process. Trust the process, trust the process. Oh, and this is on a F150 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. Trust the process, trust the process. So there's a lot of fallout. A lot of fallout. I'm just gonna keep blending it. Blend and blend. Now I'm gonna clean my brush. And we're gonna go into shade Deep. It's like a bluish shade, but a lighter blue. So we're gonna go into Deep. And then I'm just gonna put it like right here on the edge. I feel like this is kind of a little bit darker than I thought it was gonna be. So let's go into Bikini and then just put this right here. Just keep on, and sometimes like you have to go back in, like it's just ease. So we're gonna go back into Thunder. I'm just gonna like re-intensify this a bit. There's a black in here, it looks so dark. So dark. And then back to Deep. And then back to Bikini. Okay. I think I haven't done a cut crease in a little bit. I'm not gonna do like a full-blown cut crease, but I'm gonna do like a semi-cut crease. So I'm gonna need to like wash my blushes, because my brush that I use for cut crease is not there. I'm not gonna do like too much of a crazy cut crease, but we'll see.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care.
I don't even know what my cut crease. This is a 421, but it doesn't work as well as my actual cut crease brush. So, but sometimes you have to, you know, improvise. Okay, let's use, this is a C10. Oh, this is supposed to be like flat, but it doesn't work. I don't know what to put. C10. I feel like I want more of a silver, but I don't have a silver here. Just Relentless. Have a silver? No, no, it does not. Okay, let's do this. This is Hipdot. I actually want this shade right here. It is called Rain. Man, I had the flu and my nose is still so dry, which is so gross. But I'll moisturize it. I'm sorry, you know you guys have to see this. Like so. That's all I need from here. Oh, that is it. Now I'm gonna go into stargazing. Let's see, this is a 216 from Clean Makeup by Yolondo. We're going to start. So back to that same palette. I'm gonna just, so it is giving what it needs to give. And now I'm gonna go back into Midnight, or not Midnight, Thunder. And I'm gonna put a little more blue right here. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Hi guys, we are back and time to talk about this foundation. So this is the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint. I don't know, I feel like this is gonna be too light, but that's the problem about getting foundations at my grocery store, is the shade range is not great. Oh, it might be fine. Actually, I think it's fine. But now is not the time for glow because I have the biggest pimple. Oh my. Let's go ahead and put a little concealer. Doesn't exist. The coverage is insane. Not there. Like there's like nothing. I can see like literally every single freckle. So I'm putting, I put my Makeup Forever concealer, and now we're gonna go into this Juvia's Place contour bronzer situation. La 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 la. I like how I get all these notifications from Ring and then it's like my neighbor's cat. Okay, let us blend the concealer. Oh my god, I don't like this foundation. Yeah, this is wild. So I feel like I'm getting a lot more coverage from this. For my concealer than this. Ooh. Now we're gonna have to set this. 1, 2. Then I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury powder. My neck feels so stiff for some reason. Then we're gonna take a little Huda Beauty Blondie. Ooh. Well, that is a lot. And then I'm gonna set the rest of my face. Okay, let us set this with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Yayo from Urban Decay, just a white pencil. Where's my waterline? And let us go in with just a little. I think I'm gonna do maybe a little purple down there. Yep, let's do a little hibiscus.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late.
I don't want it to take away from my white.
Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come give me with your touch.
And then just a little bit more white. A lot more white apparently. So I have this from House Labs. We're gonna give her a whirl today maybe. But I do need a little thing for my inner corner. Let's go back to that Hipdot palette and go back to Rain. And I'm just gonna put Rain like right here. Just that's it. So this is the Power Sculpt Velvet Bronzer, and I think I have shade 10, which looks like so. And I'm gonna use the Sephora Hipdot 72 brush. And just give her a whirl. I mean, I know this is gonna like work amazing, but I haven't gotten anything from House Labs yet that's like not slave. So just tapping away. Man, this is pretty. Love it. Okay, I need a blush. You know what? I haven't used this blush. I don't know if I really like this blush because it's like kind of shiny. Oh. So, but let's see. This is from Makeup Revolution, and it's Makeup Revolution London. I'm just gonna mix all of this shit. So this might be, you know, a lot. This I think I went just a little bit overboard. Oh. And then I'm gonna use Imagic Professional Cosmetics. This is some highlighter. I don't even know where I get this highlighter from. No. I need to like cut this down a bit. And let me have this MAC lipstick. I think we're gonna wear it today. I'm gonna use this lip. This is from NYX, and it is Club Hopper to line the lip. So I don't even know if MAC still carries that, but it is the Lip Tensity, and this one is Toast and Butter. Yep. So that's it for this video, guys. I know the look came out a little bolder than I thought, but you know, that always happens. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Can you hear it? think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all